What's up guys, Shane Starnes here, and today I've got a very special video for all my cat lovers out there. But before we get into the video, I do have a quick question for you. If you would, leave your answer in the comments below. This helps out with the YouTube algorithm and will get the video out to more people, and it's just a major help. What is your favorite type of cat? For me, it has to be the American Shorthair, but let me know, what is your favorite cat breed below, and what kind of cat do you have? I've partnered with Choueer to showcase the Choubox, which is an automatic self-cleaning litter box, which not only helps to make cleaning up after your pet super easy, but it's also packed with tons of features that we're gonna cover in this video. Now, I do have to mention that this is an early prototype, so I'm not able to showcase all of the features that will be on the final version. The final version will look just like this unit. It's just gonna have even more features than what I've showcased today. The first thing that really stood out to me about the Choubox is its compact size. So it's actually a lot smaller than most kitty litter boxes on the market, but it actually has the largest entry point on the market, which is pretty cool. We actually tested this out with my sister-in-law's cat, Tommy. He's actually a really large cat, and he had no problems getting in and out of the box. He even had plenty of room to kind of turn around and do his thing, and he actually loved spending time in the Choubox is kind of like a hangout place. So while the unit is compact and it's not going to take a lot of space in your home, it still accommodates various sizes of cats. Even if your cat is larger, this is still going to be plenty big for them. It does have a vertical entry, which just makes it super easy and comfortable for cats to get in and out of the unit. This vertical entry design also makes it super easy to pour litter into the box. The Choubox is compatible with all clumping litter on the market. Choueer does recommend using pure natural cat litter with low dust and particles of a size less than 2.5 centimeters. The unit is pretty sturdy at 22 pounds. You don't have to worry about it tipping over, but it's still light enough to adjust it or move it when need be. It's also made of very durable material, and it's even coated with an anti-fouling coating, which means that it's going to be super easy to clean up. To test that, I did spread a little peanut butter on the outside, and as you can see, it is easily wiped away with a wet towel. Disassembling the unit for cleaning is super easy. There are a couple of latches on the side. You unlatch them, lift up the outer shell, and then you can lift up the inner globe to dump out used litter and to grease up the gears when needed. On the front of the unit, you'll find an LCD display with a rotating knob and button in the middle of the knob. This is for selecting the various features, including flattening the litter, scooping the litter, or removing the litter. There are a few options for the automatic cleaning mode. You can have it set up on a timer or automatically when it senses that the cat has used the litter box. When it comes to actually removing the waste, the Choubox is one of the fastest on the market. It actually has the shortest fall path from the unit to the waste bin below. This ensures the fastest transmission of waste, which enables less odor to leak. Speaking of the waste tray, it's pretty big at 10 liters. You can actually get 2 weeks between cleanings, which may sound a bit concerning. Not only is it able to keep odors in by quickly opening and shutting the door to remove the waste, this also features a UV and ozone sanitation system to not only trap in the odors, but eliminate them completely. The waste tray is actually designed to be lined with a garbage bag. That way, when it's time to take out the litter, it's simply as easy as taking out the trash. The Choubox also has 10 layers of infrared sensors, which can determine when the cat has entered and exited the Choubox. There are also weight sensors on the bottom of the unit, which can tell when the cat has left the box. If the litter box happens to be in the middle of cleaning, it will pause when it knows that the cat has entered and will remain stationary until 10 seconds after the cat has left the litter box. Another major benefit here is that there are no engines or motor noises. This can actually operate at 35 decibels or less, and it is super quiet. It's hard to even notice when it is doing its job. That's just how quiet it is. I'm gonna go ahead and do a scoop real quick just to kind of demonstrate how quiet it is. All right, and it is in action as we speak here, and you can hardly tell that it's even running. They say less than 35 decibels. I totally believe that because it is super quiet. Because this is a prototype unit, some of the functionality wasn't ready to go at the time of recording of this video, mainly the application that goes along with the Choubox. The Choubox app will provide 24/7 monitoring of your cat health from anywhere. Those smart sensors that we talked about earlier can also help to track your cat's weight, the times of use, and the duration of use, and also the litter capacity, so to let you know whether or not you need to add or remove some of the kitty litter. This data that's collected is displayed as a bar chart within the app, which helps you to know if your cat is in good health. You'll still be able to do all of the other functions with the application, so you'll still be able to level the litter, scoop, remove the litter. You'll also be able to set up all of the automatic functions from within the app. When it comes to the actual usage of the Choubox, I really enjoyed the fact that it was very quiet and that it did its job without me actually having to do anything at all. So once I got the automatic functions set up, as soon as Tommy went in, did his business, it went into action scooping and removing the waste. I love the fact that this is 100% automatic, so this definitely saves a ton of time when it comes to cleaning up waste after your cat. That being said, this also did a great job of eliminating odors, and I basically didn't even know that this thing was around. As far as cat friendliness, the cat that tested out the Choubox, Tommy, it took him a few minutes to kind of familiarize himself with the box and to realize why it was even there. He's actually used to a traditional litter box, but once we kind of gave him hints and nudged him on his way, once he figured out what this unit was for, Tommy had no issues performing his business with the Choubox. Not only was Tommy not scared of the Choubox, but I think he actually enjoyed it maybe a little too much. Overall, if you're looking for a device that's going to make cleaning up after your cat super easy and you need something that's very durable and easy to clean, the Choubox is probably the automatic litter box for you. The Choubox is on sale now for pre-order. Head to the link in the description to pick up a Choubox for yourself. Thanks guys for watching. Be blessed. I'll see you in the next one.